Okay, class, we have already looked at the effects of folding on the landscape. Let us now look at the effects of folding on drainage, water supply. Does folding have any relationship, either bad relationship or good relationship, with water supply and other drainage systems? Number one, folding leads the formation of downwarped lakes. When there is downwarping, and after the downwarped basin is filled with water, it forms a basin lake. For example, Lake Victoria, Lake Chad, and Muhazi, plus Choga. Folding leads to river reversal. It can change the direction of a river. For example, if the river is flowing and it meets an upwarped area or a crest, an area which has been folded upwards, it will not climb that steep slope. Instead, it will change its direction towards a trough. You know, they say water finds its own level, and we believe that rivers flow from highlands to lowlands. Next, folding forms river meander. It leads to river meander. This is where the river begins to bend and forming sharp curves or sharp corners, dodging crests, following troughs, or dodging highlands and following lowlands. River capture, where a powerful river diverts the water of a weak river, and definitely this powerful river must be flowing at a lower altitude in a trough created by folding. Folding leads to river rejuvenation. This is where a river regains its erosive power. A river regains its energetic load. For example, if the river bed or channel has been affected by folding and the gradient of the river is changed by the folding and it becomes steep, the river will become more energetic again and it will increase its speed, and again it will begin eroding more than when it was flowing on a flat surface. But after folding, the gradient becomes steep and the river regains its power to erode. Folding, especially downwarping, can form oceans and seas. Fold mountains are good water catchment areas. They are sources of rivers, and a good example is in Rwanda, Congo, Nile crest, where most of the rivers originate and flow eastwards. And these rivers provide water for home use, that is domestic use, and maybe industrial purposes. Thank you.